Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the update for the project pen for the month of September, so if you're curious about that, please keep watching. First of all, I have this very crazy eye look on. I absolutely love it. It is a smoky eye and I used the ABH Cosmos palette for this matte shimmery shade and this one, two shades. That is two shades. And then I have some of the Wooden's Eye Hella palette for the mattes, the pink, the purpley shade in here. So it's a combination of those two. I really like it. It looks really great. So for this month we have some pens. Actually, I am excited. It's more of a maintenance month, but I did use this product a bunch. So let's stop rambling and start with my first product. That is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm gonna put a video on the screen with the update. I have a mini. It's really good. I really like it. Today I actually have it on my skin as foundation, and then I put just a bit of the Project Pen concealer on the under eye and on some pimples. I really love it. It's perfect for blending into foundations and I really enjoy it. I bought this one in October last year because I was in Italy. Charlotte Tilbury is still not available at our Sephora, sadly. So this is lasting me more than 12 months, which is really nice. So you should in general get a smaller size in most products because I did use this one a bunch. It's in the Project Pen for some months, so this is a pretty good amount of product, and this has 12 months of shelf life, so you don't really need to buy the fuller sized one. Next we have foundation, and let's have a talk about that because last month I introduced into the Project Pen the Catrice foundation, the True Skin one, and I used it like 3 times. It was pretty old. It was like 1.5 years old, so a bit too old for me to feel comfortable putting it on my skin, and I did had some pimples at that time, so maybe it was bad timing, but I did declutter it and I decided to put the Born to Glow foundation from NYX on the Project Pen. So I will put a close-up with this one in September. I am right here. I did put a mark on top, so the mark for last month was around the B letter, and now I am just below the B letter. So it's black packaging and I can't see anything and you can't see anything with this marker, but I did use it. I really enjoy this foundation. This is my second bottle. This was in the Project Pen last year as well, and I will enjoy using it. Another foundation that we have in the Project Pen, it is the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin. I have the shade number 2, and this I put a number of 20 uses as a goal, and in July I used it 4 times and in August I used it 7 times. So we are still gonna have this one in the next month as well, and maybe the month after that, we will see. But this is a lovely foundation. It is very natural on the skin, but it has a pretty good amount of coverage. I would say that it's like medium coverage. It's very liquidy and a really nice consistency, easy to blend with a brush or with a sponge. I really enjoy it. It's a really good one, and I will continue to have it in my Project Pen. The only thing that I don't love is the bottle, because it looks luxurious. It's very beautiful, very stunning, but it doesn't sit straight and it's kind of bulky, so that is the only thing that I don't like about it, but it is a really nice product overall. Next on my list I have the Pillow Talk lipstick, and I decided to put 20 uses on this one as well, and I really enjoy it. It's so stunning, and as you can see I have just a pretty small amount left for a lipstick, of course, so maybe next year I will finish this one up. In July I used it 9 times, and this month in August I used it 8 times. So again, we still have a bit of uses left, but I think the month of September will be the last one for it, but I really enjoy it. It is a really good lipstick overall. Next we have concealer. This is the one that I'm using today. I really love it. That's the reason I put it in the project pen, because it is really becoming one of my favorite concealers. It's so great. And right now in my collection I have so amazing concealers. I am very happy with my concealer collection, and this is the Natasha Denona Hyglam concealer. I have the shade N1, and this one is lovely. You need a small amount, don't put too much because it will crease, but otherwise it looks really amazing. And yeah, so I did put a mark in here and I put the video on the screen, but I really can't tell where I'm at. I'm just guessing. This is a new product, so of course I have still a lot of product left, but I did use this one a bunch of times, almost daily actually. It's just so great, I really enjoy it. Next we have powder, and in here I have the LYS Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder, and I have the shade Resilience, the translucent shade. And check this one out. I have a baby pan and it's lovely. I'm gonna put the video on the screen. It's just, it is a pretty good amount of pen, and I could see that around the pen I have a very thin layer of powder, so I am sure that next month this pen will be giant. But yeah, I really enjoy this powder. I am wearing it today. With this powder being in my project pen, I just appreciate even more, because it is a really good pressed powder. Next we have bronzer, and for bronzer, can I put this one down please? With bronzer I have the Essence one. I'm gonna put this one on the screen as well, a close-up. This is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 1 Natural, and I have a big pen on this one as well, and I can see the powder close to the pen as well, being very thin, so I will expand the pen for sure. This is a lovely bronzer. I hate the packaging. It is a bronzer that I'm wearing today. Actually today I have pretty simple makeup on my face, and it looks so nice. I really like this one. In my opinion, this is very close to the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer, but that one has so amazing packaging and I prefer that one. But if you want something from the drugstore, this one is incredible. Just know that the packaging will probably broke, so it is what it is. But this product is amazing. I will still recommend this one, and I will use it up because that is my goal. Next we have blush, and in here I'm very happy. So I have the Melt in the shade Sundown, the cream blush light, and this is a cream blush obviously, and I have a goal of 50 uses for this one, and we did use it 16 times in August, and I have a total amount of uses until now as 48 uses, so we have still 2 uses left. But I have a giant pen in it. This month I did hit pen, and it was very thin. I was able to see that last month as well, that the layer was pretty thin, and with this being a cream, of course I'm moving the product just a bit, but it's so thin, and only on the edges it has a bit more product. So of course now I want to use it up. This is the thing with the project pen. If I am hitting pen on something, I just want to finish it up. It's so rewarding. I really like that. I'm gonna count the number of uses, but I will go over 50 because I just want to finish it up. So that is that. I am very excited about that, and I am curious if I will be able to finish this one until the end of the year. Next we have highlighter, and for that last month I introduced into the project pen the MAC one. This is in Soft and Gentle, and it's so flattering. I really enjoy it. It looks like this on my cheeks. It's so natural, a really good color for my skin tone as well. And I have a goal of 50 for this one, and I did use it 17 times in August, which is pretty good overall. I really enjoy it. It is stunning, but it is a baked product, so you can't really see a dip or something, but I am sure that I will see some progress until the end of the 50 uses, and we can decide afterwards if I want to use it more or just switch it around. Next we have the most annoying product ever. This is Juice Gloss from NYX, and yes, I didn't use it that much because I bought a new lip balm, the one from Huda, and then I was trying to finish some other products, or at least to do some progress, so I didn't use this one that much. It's kind of nice. I really enjoy it around the house, but it's so much product here. And somebody commented on my last update, and they were telling me that it took a really long time to finish this one, so I was kind of happy that I'm not the only one. So this is it. I'm doing some progress, but it's very slow. So right now I am hoping that I could finish this one until the end of the year, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And lastly, the number 10, we have the monthly item. So last month I decided to put the 3 shadows from Catrice. I have the shade 370, 410 and 400. They are these type of shades. My favorite one is for sure the mint one. That is very stunning, and I did use this one 3 times, I think. Then I used this one 1 time and this one 1 time as well. I think that was the ratio, because I did use them 5 times in total. They are really good single shadows overall. They are sparkly and shiny, and I enjoy them, and they are again from the drugstore. So if you want a pop of color like this mint one, I really recommend it. And for the month of September, I decided to put my ABH palettes in the project pan, because ABH is releasing a new palette and it looks incredible. It's dark and seems to be a bit colorful. I'm buying that for sure. It should be available in 4 days or something. I'm gonna buy that and do a video, but I'm preparing for that and putting these 2 on the rotation. I really enjoy project panning, and please let me know what updates you have, if you are doing a project pan, if you want me to include some random category or some random product or something. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.